This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by verifying where the inversion comes from, Roblox or your system. Open Roblox's settings and locate camera options. You'll see modes like Classic or Follow. Switch to a neutral mode such as Default to test. If inversion persists, quickly check your OS mouse settings to ensure no system-level invert is active. Once done, relaunch the game to see immediate changes, because testing now prevents chasing the wrong fix later and saves time. Now you'll make targeted changes inside Roblox to stop inversion. You should toggle any invert Y-axis or invert mouse switches and test movement after each flip, so you isolate which option controls behavior. Next, set camera mode to classic and reduce mouse sensitivity if motion feels jumpy. Smoothing can hide inversion symptoms. If the game uses custom scripts, temporarily disable them or change camera type to custom so default engine. Finish by restoring sane defaults and reapplying only what you need. Reset control bindings in Roblox, then set your preferred camera mode and sensitivity once you confirm correct orientation. If inversion persists, clear local Roblox settings or reinstall the client to remove corrupted configs. Make sure to test with a different account or on another device. If the problem disappears there, it's a local profile or machine issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if custom camera scripts are present, revert or inspect them first because they are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.